welcome back to BT Now. You're watching Buy Now, Sell Now with me, Kanushka Sarkar and Ankita Saxena. And on the technicals, we now have Forum Cheda joining us. She's the founder and Chart Analytics. Hi, Forum. Good morning. Thank you so much for joining us today. And on the fundamentals, we still have Avinash with us. Well, let's get started with all the queries again then. This is Abhishek writing from Mumbai. He wants to invest in BEL and IREDA for a long term. That's at least for a 10 to 15 years period. Are the current levels good to enter at the current juncture? Forum, let me come to you. I understand that he's looking to invest for a longer term horizon. But are the current levels good to start your investment journey in BEL and IREDA?
Well, if we talk about IREDA first, and the overall, actually, the stock price has been quite under pressure, even if we look at it from a long-term perspective. So far, it's not showing any bullish signs, although it is at a very good support level. So I think he just needs to wait for a while give a good weekly closing above 150 to consider buying in IREDA. Until then, he can just wait and observe the stock for it to just see a bit of a bounce back. Secondly, on BEL, I think, yes, he can consider investing at these levels also. They are good to invest. And in fact, there is a very short-term resistance or a very crucial level of 431. Once those levels are taken out, we can expect the stock price to move much higher. It can have some more momentum as well. So for long term, it's good to buy even at these levels also.
So for the long term, you could consider buying at these levels. But Avinash, what about you? What do you have to say about the fundamentals of these companies?
So I think clearly BL, we also believe that there's good long-term value provided the investor can, stay invested for the next, say, 2 to 3 years. They have an order book of almost 75,000 crores. The company is net cash positive. And I think, with the kind of opportunity in the defense space, I think you're going to see a lot of action coming in. The Russian, President Putin is coming very soon. So, a lot of news is going to be centered around technology and defense. So we could expect a lot of action in the very near term also. And as far as IREDA is concerned, I think you need to look at it from a longer term perspective. The stock was in fancy once it got listed. The stock has not been doing well because Q2 was not all that great. But if you look at the long term renewable opportunity, it is a very large organization which funds renewable projects. So I think taking a 18 to 24-month view, one can start nibbling at current levels and do a small SIP. I think you need not buy everything in one shot. But I think this will definitely give you rich rewards over the next 2 to 3 years.
All right, so that's the word coming in for IREDA. But let's move on to the next count. Another interesting question coming in. This is from Shrikant from Hyderabad. He says he holds a Paytm since December 20.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.